Good Monday morning, everyone. Today, I want you to get out your reading, writing notebook, turn to your first available page, number 1 through 25, date it for June 1st. June 1st, and this is your spelling pretest. This week's story is how Tia Lola came to visit, and then it says it's crossed out to stay. So how Tia Lola came to stay. The spelling words for this week have words with suffixes with less, meant, and ness. Okay, so you should have numbered 1 through 25. I will call out the word. You will write the word. I will use it in a sentence, and then I will say it one more time. Okay. Number 1. Jan has seen countless movies over the years. The word is countless. Countless. Jan has seen countless movies over the years. Number 2. Payment. The payment is due on Friday. Payment. Number 3. Goodness. Mom's goodness shows in her kind deeds. Goodness. Number 4. Fairness. Treat each team member with fairness. Number 5. Hopeless. Even a big problem isn't hopeless. Hopeless. Number 6. Treatment. The cold treatment made me feel better. Treatment. Number 7. Statement. That statement isn't true. Statement. Number 8. Breathless. The runner was breathless at the end of the race. Breathless. Number 9. Restless. The toddler was so restless that he couldn't sit still. Restless. Number 10. Enjoyment. I get a lot of enjoyment from my hobbies. Enjoyment. Number 11. Pavement. The road crew put new pavement on our street. Pavement. Number 12. Flawless. The gymnast performed a flawless routine. Flawless. Number 13. Tireless. My dad is a tireless worker. Tireless. Number 14. Amazement. I stared at the tightrope walker with amazement. Amazement. Number 15. Amusement. The children watched the clown with amusement. Amusement. Number 16. Greatness. Many people knew of the leader's greatness. Greatness. Number 17. Punishment. The punishment for speeding is a fine. Punishment. Number 18. Timeless. Most folk tales are timeless stories. Timeless. Number 19, needless. It is needless to clean up before playing football. Needless. Number 20 is painless. Getting a tooth filled can be painless. Painless. Your challenge words, 21. Announcement. Listen carefully for the morning announcement. Announcement. 22. Appointment. Be on time for your doctor's appointment. Appointment. 23. Requirement. It is a requirement to follow school rules. Requirement. 24. Awkwardness. His awkwardness kept him from joining the team. Awkwardness. 25. Expressionless. Nan's face was expressionless when she lost. Expressionless. Okay, so that is your words. Hopefully you can do this before we meet together. And I will share the meanings of those words today. This is a picture of Leilani on Saturday night, this past Saturday night out at the ranch. Look at the beautiful sky. We're getting the fire pit started for the night. So I wanted to share that with you. More pictures to come. Let's have a great week. We're getting to the end. See you soon.